What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install or replace a closet rod in your closet. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so I've gone ahead and removed the old broken brackets from each side. First thing we'll do is decide where we want to put the brackets. I'm going to put mine out 11 inches from the back wall. And I'm going to mark that on the other side, 11 inches. Okay, now you're going to want to get your new pole sockets. I like to get the metal ones because I never want to replace these things again, and the wood ones always seem to break. Now do mind if you're just replacing these sockets, they do come in different sizes for the rods, so be sure to get the right size. Alright, so I'll put one of the sockets where I want it. Then I'm going to go ahead and mark the 3 mounting holes. Then we're going to go ahead and pre-drill all 3 of those. And we'll just screw it in with the provided screws it comes with. Well, I ran into my first problem. Since the new brackets are thinner, the pole's a little too short. I made a couple thin wood shims to put behind it on one side. That'll make up for the difference. Okay, now for the other side, I'm going to put my bracket on the wall and line it up with that mark we made. But then I'm going to take my level and put it under the rod. And then when we get the rod perfectly level, then we can go ahead and mark our holes. I'm going to go ahead and tighten down this side good and tight. Okay, and if you're replacing your rod, you can go ahead and cut a new one with a regular saw if you get a wood rod. If you get a metal one, you're going to need a hacksaw. And that's it, guys. That's how to install a new closet rod. If you're new to my channel, please do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.